If you've got one of these generic cordless vacuum cleaners that take the DeWalt batteries and you find that the suction's getting low on it, it could be because the filter is blocked up. These are washable filters. So all we have to do is twist this here like so, the same as if you were emptying it out, the dust out of it, and then to take the filter out, we're just lifting this out like so. With this, what I would do to begin with is just give it a good whack and try to get rid of. You see, even doing that, you can see the dust is coming out all over the floor here. And give it a good clean with an old toothbrush. You can see there's loads of dust coming out of it. And then when you've done all that and all the dust is gone, you can wash this. So bring it over to the sink and give it a nice good wash. So get it nice and clean, but don't put it back into your vacuum cleaner when it's wet. You've got to make sure it's dry. So leave it a good 24 hours, put it on a radiator to get all the dampness out of it. And then you'll find that when you put it back in, hopefully you would have got your suction back because the filter is nice and clean. Just remember to only put it back in when it's dry. Thanks for watching.